keeps getting hot. So I might try to combine the videos together into one. See if I can get that situated, but I'm sorry that the video keeps shutting off on me. It's really hot outside. And that's why we waited a bit for the sun to start going in, because even though it's going in, it's still extremely hot.
Oh, shit. Oh.
Stop going. Go around. Here. He doesn't like it when you're going in there. You need to go around, please. Here, give it to Shelby. She still has a little piece, but she wants more. She's like, I want more water.
Oh,
Celine.
He's got one. Jeez.
They will fight over watermelon.
Yeah, it's a battle of watermelon. Aw,
Oh, baby.
This is delicious.
Hi, Gigi. Oh, you're gonna eat the ones on the grass? Oh, you got a fly in your face. Poor baby. Shush the fly off. There you go. Oh, it's on his shell.
There you go, baby. Uh-oh.
They're fighting over a watermelon again. Here. Celine, get your own. There you go. Oh, he has some. He didn't even finish his, but he's fighting over it. Here, move the chair over here, please. Ponlo para acá. You get that one. Come here, Celine. Come here. That's a big bite. Well, bite it. Come on. Well, stop walking. Where are you trying to go? Come over here. Celine. You're silly.
No, I'm gonna try to climb up the wall.
He's trying to climb in. I left the plate full. No, don't give him that one. He still has one over here.
I'll get it.
He'll come over here. Celine, have him come over here, please. Celine, you want some watermelon? You might want to stop walking as you're trying to eat.
Yeah, you're gonna crash into someone.
There you go.
Alright, put it down already.
Thank you. Okay, Celine's almost done with his. I'll be starting another one. And the babies are over there eating their watermelon. Well, GT is.
He likes the watermelon and Coyote likes eating grass.
I think Coyote, you didn't even finish the other one. You're already taking this one. You're a pig.
Give me it.
Can you stop walking? Slow down, Celine.
Don't crash into the tree.
There you go. I'll put it down. He likes to walk and eat at the same time.
Alright, want me to get pellets ready?
Bring the hose over here first, please. Because I'm going to have to wet them a little bit for the babies. Though I might just give the rest to the babies in their enclosure. Celine, go eat your own. You didn't even finish yours and you're going to try to steal Shelby's? No, go eat the other one, sweetheart. Thank you. Shelby's making sure that she's finishing all her watermelon and lime. There you go, big girl. And some good watermelon. That helps them stay cool here in Arizona. It's very hot. So we're gonna hurry up and fixing inside their camper here, and you gotta fix that big old hole right there, because otherwise they're gonna go underneath. And we just had the sod put in a week ago, so we're gonna try to fix this whole area. And then probably tomorrow, my husband went to Home Depot right now, and he went to go get some quicksand. We're gonna try to build them like a little pool area or something where they can chill in the water but not dig like they have been with the other their water dish that they had, because we don't really want them getting out. So we gotta fix this today, and hopefully, yeah, go ahead and get the shovel and rake. My son's gonna help me fix this right now. And usually at nighttime they like to chill once the grass is all wet. They like to chill, and they don't really dig. It's mainly during the day because they're trying to stay cool. So I can't blame them. So tomorrow we're gonna try to build that for them. I'll probably do a small video of it tomorrow, and show you when we start and then when it's all completed. So we have to make sure that they don't get out, because they're like bulldozers. Last time they got out, they were trying to go behind the AC unit, and it's very important that our AC unit continues to work during the summer because it's really hot. So we're gonna let them finish. I am gonna, however, give them some pellets, and I'm just gonna sprinkle them all around. That way they go around looking for it. And I'll probably save a few for the little ones inside their enclosure. That way they can go ahead and eat that after I put them back in. And Shelby's helping herself to the watermelon that JT was eating earlier, and now Celine's eating watermelon and pellets, and my son's helping me cover that big old hole, so I'm very grateful for his help. Our daughters also help throughout the day with these giant bulldozers, and nothing goes to waste here. Weeds, they eat it. Pumpkin is coming here soon, the fall, and we can't wait because they're gonna just grub on that, and they're gonna enjoy that time. We're gonna try to get more cactuses growing here so we can give them that. But they do sure enjoy the grass. It doesn't get long here because they're my lawnmowers. They eat it. Slow down, Shelby. Slow down, Shelby. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Like I said, I have like 3 videos separate because my camera keeps shutting off on me. It's 116, so I'll see what I can do in combining those videos together. And again, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.